Difference, may difference. May difference. Gusto mo bang marinig siya?
Oo, syempre.
Gusto kong marinig yan. So, eto na siya with Ariel and Richard. Here's Marlon.
Marlon!
Check it out.
Thanks, Al Porter.
The voice of James Taylor with nicer hair.
When you're down and torn and you need a helping hand and nothing, nothing is going right. Ikip mo lang ang iyong mata at ako ay nandyan na to brighten up even your darkest night. You just call my name
And you know wherever I am, andyan ka agad.
see you again. At alaw matagulan ay di kita maaaring iwan.
And I'll be there, yeah, 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 yeah. You got a friend.
Kung ang ulap mo'y dumidinig, tumawag lang sa'kin. Alam mo naman ang number ng cellphone ko.
I'm busy pa rin ito. Na lang sa paper ko. Aasahan ko lagi ang tawag mo.
Tawagin lang ang pangalan at ako'y parang Superman. Nandyan ka lang.
To see you again.
Pagkaraw matagulan ay di kita maaaring iwan.
And I'll be there, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Narito ako sa iyong tabi. Huwag kang mahihiyang magsabi. Problema ay kaya-kaya. Kahit pindot o bagyo, tayo'y magkasama. Tawagin lang
Ang pangalan at ako'y parang Superman. Nandyan ka agad sa tawag ko lang.
Alam mo, pagkaraw matagulan ay di kita maaaring iwan. And I'll be there, yes, I will.
You got a friend. You've got a friend, yeah.
Ain't it good to know you got a friend? Ain't it good to know you got a friend? Oh yeah, yeah, I'll be your friend.
Thank you, Marlon. Your album is out. Your first single, and it looks like this. Your album, Marlon under Viva Records.
Starting
right?
all over again. Why is it starting all over again?
Well, I've been away for quite a long time, so I'm planning to
And
start.
you have 11 songs, no? You got a friend. Ang gaganda ng mga songs siya.
Ang galing
Pag
nito kumanta. I
napakinggan mo-
watched him perform in this village, and this guy sounds just like James Taylor talaga. Idol mo ba si James Taylor
Yes.
ever since?
Yeah.
Talaga?
Ever
Wow.
since.
You sound just like him. Thank you. Marlon, You've Got a Friend. The album is entitled Marlon. Yun lang.
Starting all over
right?
again. Yeah.
Under Viva Records. Thank you. Congratulations.
More
And
power to you.
we now turn you over to ASAP. May I?